Good morning to everyone. I would like to explain you some of the computer bits. Next, first one, hardware. These are the equipments involved in the function of the computer. It consists of the component that can be physically handled. Just hardware is nothing but the components of the computer. That is called the hardware. Hardware equipments of the computer. These are the components. Next, the software. Software is nothing but it operates mathematical calculations. The user issues the instructions in which the programs are run. This software is nothing the user. It depends upon the user usages. Softwares are of two types: system software and application software. Next, firmware. Firmware means these programs are permanently stored. These are booting programs, helps in starting of the computer. These cannot erase or overwritten. These are permanently stored in the computer or laptop for the purpose of starting. This cannot be override or this is called a firmware. These are inbuilt programs. Next, bridgeware. Bridgeware is nothing but programs and instructions written in one type of computer. They can be transferred into another type of computer. Is nothing but bridgeware. It acts as a bridge. It will pass. It will pass the information instruction from one computer to another computer. This is called a bridgeware. Next, freeware. Freeware is nothing but it's freely available in the market. Anybody can use without license. See, like that Wi-Fi is available in the market. Anyone can use without license. Recently, I have seen one of the bit that which company gives free Wi-Fi to the railway stations. Google, IBM, Microsoft, TCS, like that they have given. Google is the one which gives free Wi-Fi to the railway stations. This is a recent bit which I have listened. Next, generations of computer. First generation vacuum tubes, second generation transistors, third generation integrated circuits. The full form of VLSI is very large scale integrated circuits. Next one, fourth, microprocessor. Fifth, artificial intelligence. Now we are in the fifth generation. As we are using the artificial intelligence. Next, Prolog is the language is used for the artificial intelligence. This is a recent which they have asked. Recently, which of the following language is used for the artificial intelligence? That is Prolog. Next, input devices. As we know, computer is an electronic device. It consisting of CPU. CPU is considered as the brain of the computer. It consisting of three main parts, three units: ALU, CU, MU. Next, input. Input is nothing but the data which is given into the computer. In order to access something, we have to give something through which we will give by keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick. If we want any information, we will give. I want this one. I want BSNL GK bits. We will type in the mouse. We will type in the keyboard. By typing the keyboard, we will get the information through monitor. So these are the input devices through mouse, keyboard, scanner, joystick. Output devices. We will give information through keyboard, but you will get the output through display screen, that is but monitor, loudspeaker, printers, etc. These are the output devices. Information or data that comes out of the computer in the form of display screens, loudspeakers, printers, etc. Next, printers. Printers are different types of printers: dicey wheel printer, dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, laser printer, LED printer, line printer. High quality printer is nothing but laser printer. Next, operating system. DOS, disk operating system, Windows operating system, the Unix operating system, Linux operating system. These are the operating systems. Nowadays they are asking the following, which is not an operating system: DOS, Windows, Linux, MS Office. Which is not operating system is MS Office. We have to Select. Next, compiler. Compiler is nothing but it converts high level language into machine language is called as compiler. Next, interpreter. A program that can analyze and execute a program by line. It will line by line it will totally execute, and then it will comes to another line. It is called an interpreter. Just remember, interpreter means line by line. It will step by step. It will execute. See, I'm giving slowly so that you can read the information. Just I'm giving the information. And the next one is, these are the bits which are very helpful for the competition. This binary digit is represented in the form of bit. The bit is represented in the form of 0 or 1. 1 nibble is equals to 4 bits, 1 byte is equals to 8 bits, 1024 bytes is equals to 1 kilobit, 1024 kilobytes is equals to 1 megabit, 1024 megabyte is equals to 1 gigabit, 1024 gigabyte is equals to 1 terabyte. Next, LAN. LAN is local area network. MAN, metropolitan area network. Wide WAN, wide area network. VPN is equals to virtual private network. Next, modem. Modem stands for modulator and demodulator. Sometimes they will ask like that, whether modem is an input device or output device. It acts as both input device and output device. This modem. www.com. As we know, what does the www stands for? World Wide Web. Now, ASCII, American Standards Code for Information Interchange. The abbreviation, this is very important abbreviation. Next, BIOS, Basic Input Output System. Next, HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. COBOL, Common Business Oriented Language. Charles Babbage is considered as the father of the computer. Next, RAM. RAM-ROM. This bit I have seen so many times. Or non-volatile memory is RAM. What is non-volatile memory? The data in the computer will be lost when the computer is shut down is called as non-volatile memory. That means that the data is stored randomly. A definite permanent address is not stored, just it is stored randomly to perform certain operations. When the computer is shut down, the total data will be lost. It is called as non-volatile memory. See, random, it's randomly means just like that. It stores the memory. ROM means read only memory. It's a volatile memory. Volatile means certain a definite place it was stored. It will not the data will not be lost. The data will not be stored lost when the computer is shut down. It will be present. So read only memory. Next, what's the full form of basic? Beginning of all symbolic instruction code. So this is our range value. They will ask what is the maximum range of unsigned character? 255. This is a bit which I have yesterday paper they have given. Signed character minus 28 to 227. Int minus 32768 to 32767. Unsigned in 0 to 65535. DBS, Database Management System. SQL, these full forms are very important. SQL, Structured Query Language. It is a programming language for sending queries to database. This SQL it's a programming language which is used for sending questions to the DBA. We will use this SQL. This binary digit short form is bit. The data in the it will goes for bit per second. Thank you.